Hello. Well, hello there. On Raising Vibrations, just a quickie, like a nice orgasmic quickie that's just, see, it's even coming down on me. I'm thinking, it's, you know how these human chains and human blah blah have been formed and everything, and people go outside and hold hands and go, and I have one that we could do right now at this moment. If you're in your room, in your house, in your garden, anywhere, you just touch any object, any plant, a wall, and just say, I love you. And you just push it into the wall so it vibrates to the other side. Therefore, the next person will do it, and the next person will do it, and the next person. And us joining forces and being one has nothing to do with the physical touch of it. It has to do with yourself, just raising yourself. You touch, even when you touch the bed you sleep in, when you walk into your home and greet it, because it is living, it's of the soil as you are of the soil and the air and light. So I touch this phone. I touch you. I kiss you. I love you. Spirit world. Touch. It's a very touchy feeling. Twa. Touch on, man. Touch. And then you just photograph that and send it on your timeline. Tag a friend. And let's do this, hey? I love you. Mwah.